everybody, Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Back again, I got another unboxing video. This time it's the ThinkPad X1 Active Noise Cancellation headphones. So sometimes they're called ANC headphones, so active noise canceling. That means they're going to have microphones on them that's going to hear what's going on outside, and then play music to counteract that, or play white noise to counteract the noise on the outside to make it so it's a lot quieter on the inside. So let's go ahead, open these up, and we'll talk a little bit more about them. So let's get through the tape here on the sides. Pop the case open. You can see, of course, this has a great looking packaging, which means it's kind of retail packaging to be hanging in the store. So let's open up our retail packaging and look at what's inside. So, of course, Bose set the standard for this to have a great case to carry with you, and there's nothing else on the inside of the box except soft foam, which is great. Let's go ahead and open up this case, which feels a little smooth, but also a little kind of like Alcantara, if you know that from your car. But let's go ahead and look what's on the inside. We got the headphones themselves. With directions right here on how to put them back in. So let's see how they're going to look. Pop them like this, pop them like this. We're going to put them on like that. Okay, let's see what else we have in the package here. A little bit of instructions. Quick instructions on how to use all of the buttons and features on the headphones themselves. There's going to be a quick start guide here. And then the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So here's the thing, it's obviously very hard to demonstrate great headphones on unboxing video, but I have been using these. I had another pair. I've been using them for about a week. What I would say is they do a great job when the ANC, the acoustic noise canceling, is on to turn, to block out the noise. So right and left, you put them on. Here we go. If I turn on the acoustic noise canceling, obviously I wouldn't hear what's going on around me. There is some passive noise canceling just because, the foam on the headphones is great. There's no microphone boom, which is great. The microphone is just built into this, so you don't have the, boom hanging down. We do have the mute button here, so this is mute on and off. Got volume up and down. Then in the middle here, this is the button you actually push to turn the acoustic noise canceling to 3 different levels. I've been using it. There's off, level 1, level 2, and then the lady talks to you in your ear to describe everything that's going on. And quickly on this side, this is kind of the active button, so it's a pause, start music if it's playing, or pause, conference calls, kind of interact with your headphones that way. Here's a switch to turn it into Bluetooth mode or USB-C mode. You can just plug this in to USB-C to your computer if you want, or you can put it in a Bluetooth mode. Setup was a breeze. I just turned on my phone, connected to my phone, turned on my computer, had Bluetooth on, connected to my computer, plugged in the cable, it connected right away. So it was no problem at all to set it up. And then the microphone worked great. I used it on a bunch of calls. Everybody, I said, how does this work compared to my, I usually use the Bluetooth speaker from Lenovo, I think it's called the Bluetooth 700 speaker, which works great. They said the sound was even better than that speaker, which is great to hear. And so, it's like this, you're on all day, especially in a work environment, or if you're hooking it up to maybe our ThinkSmart View personal Skype hub. These work great, and I think there's actually even a way that you can bundle this with the ThinkSmart View, so when you ship them to end user at their desk, they get the ThinkSmart View and the headphones, or of course you can just buy the headphones. So as we move more to Skype, more to Teams, more to WebEx, great headphones is really nice. It blocks out the sound from the users around you, but also the noise coming to the microphone from in a mixed environment or a hoteling environment, mixed desk environment is very important too. You don't want to hear everybody else on their calls around you. So great headphones are really important. I just kind of thank everybody for joining. Thanks for listening in, and we'll catch you guys all next time. Check them out. Bye, guys.